This is an 8-inch circular table fan that I bought from Sean Brown at the DT forums. It's a copy of a Vornado 510, the modern Vornado 8-inch table fan. It works pretty well. You see plastic blades in there. And there's the back. It's noisy, but it moves a lot of air, so you know. It's noisy like a Vornado is. Here's high speed. There's medium. And there's low. I usually sleep with it on this speed, just pointing at me on the bed. It doesn't move a whole lot of air on low, but it helps, that's for sure. You know. Anyway, there you have it. It's the thing, Sean. Cool fan.